episode 2 of Burpsuite. In the first one, I demonstrated how to set up the Burpsuite, and now I have gone through. I just wanted to show off, like boast a little bit that I have gone through the entire learning path. But I'm gonna restart the path because I did like a few labs. Yeah, it restarts my learning. But we will go back, and I wanted to show off a few labs because this was actually some pretty cool stuff. So I'm just going to go through and go to the labs themselves, because that was my intention to begin with, was trying to get to the labs, but I had to restart the whole path just to get there. So I will wait for it to load. All right, now that we're in here, this is where the fun begins. So the lab itself, it says this lab contains a path traversal vulnerability in the display of the product images. To solve the lab, retrieve the contents of the password file inside of the images. So what we're going to do is I'm going to add this to the scope, so only pages from this website, this scope, show up for me. So it has to do with the images. Let's go to the first one. No response received from remote server. Okay. Let's go to the second one, maybe? I've never seen that before. It seems to be taking a lot longer to load. So let's go to the, COM tool, and then it's going to show me a phone. So I don't, it doesn't specify that it's in all of the images. So I'm going to give this one a try. We're going to open this image in a new tab. And let's see what the URL says. File name 6. File name of 6. Okay. I do not see it popping up. What's going on? What's going on here? Let's see. Logos, images, search. Okay, maybe this is taking a little bit to load, but we will get this working as we want to. Okay, so the lab wanted us to get to the password file of the server itself. So let's go in here. Let's see, file name equals 6. Okay, so what if we just try it right away? etc password? Will it let us go there? No such file. Okay, so what if we try the file name equals etc password? What does that give us? No such file. Alright, let's take a look at the other image. Maybe the other image will give us a little bit more. Let's go back to the target. It's not showing up under here, which is kind of alarming. Yeah, because this is file image12.jpg. Alright, I'm gonna get rid of that one, and we're gonna go back to the home. And we are going to open this one, paddling pool shoes. That's the one that wasn't gonna load for us, was it? And it's saying the lab's not solved on here, so I'm guessing it will give me a little check mark when I do get to solve it. So let's see, file name equals 12.jpg. We can always just search straight up into that. Product ID. I'm not sure what's going on here. Let me try to reload this, maybe. No? And the cool thing about going to the Portswigger website is they do give you solutions, and then community solutions on top of it, just in case. I do recommend going to this website. I'm going to put it in the description and checking it out for yourself, because it was a bunch of new stuff that I'd never even thought of doing or seen before. So yeah, I'm gonna work on this and try and figure this out. I'm not sure what's going on. And now we can see that we haven't even gone anywhere. Resources images shop .svg. I'm not sure what that is. Let's try. Let's just go here and let's go to /image. Oh, that said all that stuff. Let's just go to /image. What happens? Missing parameter file name. Okay. So this one, I need a file name. Let's try file name 12. Will that work better for us? File name, and then we'll go to 12. Okay. Was not expecting that. Alright. And then what happens if we go etc password? Does that, no such file? Okay. What if we go equals, and then we're gonna try to go backwards. So we're gonna go like change directory ... to go backwards, and then we'll do it one more time, and we're gonna go etc password. Does that give us anything? It contains errors. Okay, so what happened? What did it send? So we're gonna put this in the repeater, and let's see what happens. What actually happened? Oh wow. So it definitely gave us. So this is allows executables. Yeah, this is nice. So let's see. Did it give us the solve? So now that if I go back, will it tell me that I solved it? Okay, yep, solved. So that's number one. That was actually pretty good. So we can see all of the admins and like users inside of this, inside of the server, the back end. All right, so what's the next one? Let's see what the next lab is. See if we can go through that one next. And I always like to clear this out because I don't need any of these. All right, access control. What is access control? And you can go through this. I just wanted to show off some of these. Okay, so this is privilege escalation. This is not where I was doing. Authentication, broken access controls are often security vulnerability. Okay, is it gonna put me? They are not permitted access, vertical privilege escalation. Alright, so it's saying that you can go to insecure website and you can basically get to the admin functionality of the backend. So I would be able to like add users, delete users, and solve the lab by deleting the user Carlos. So let's go into the lab. Let's see what it gives us this time. Alright, so then we're gonna add this to the scope, and we will, okay. We'll see that under my account, we'll go to my account real quick. Let's see. And now we're in my account. So we can see that admin password. Just try to get straight into the admin account, you know. Invalid username. And you can see that it posted the login right there with the, okay. All right, so they wanted us to, it has an unprotected admin panel, so solve the lab by deleting the user Carlos. So let's just try to sign in as Carlos. Did it have a capital? No, it's lowercase. Carlos password. Let's see if they, okay. I didn't know if there was and so now I'm just gonna go to repeater. And that's from the other lab. Let's get that. Let's get that out of here. So we're gonna go to /admin. Let's just see if it gives us any kind of response. So get not found. Okay. Page not found. Unprotected admin panel. So typing in /admin gives us nothing. So what happens if I were to go to my account, right? Do I have a sign in for this? Did they give me one? I don't think they gave me a sign in for this, did they? No, okay. You can see that it's still sending, let's see. Let's go to my account. Let's see what happens if I put in this /admin. I'm all over the place right now. And then add /admin maybe to there. It is found. So under my account, let's go to /my -account. Whoa. S account. That's what I wanted. And we're gonna do /admin. Doesn't seem like it's giving me anything when I go there. Maybe slash add. Oh, we already tried this, right? From the root? Yeah, it's not found. So we know there is an admin account because it is found. Now I just need to figure out how to get to the admin account. Unprotected admin panel. Alright, let's see. Let's go back. Insecure. Okay, this might be accessible by any user, not only the administrative users who have the link to the functionality in their user interface. In some cases, so let's try that. They gave us an example of /robots.text. What happens if I search that up? And then it says user agent. It's a star. So let's see. Robots.text. Oh, we're gonna send it through, and it tells us that we can't get to the administrator panel. So then let's go ahead and go to. Let me copy this. Copy, and then we're gonna paste it right in here. And we are gonna go there. Let's see. It did give us something, and we can delete the username Carlos. So what if I go href? What if I just do this and delete Carlos this way? What happens there? Send that through. Okay. Not solved. But I still go to administrator panel just to see the GUI so I can see what's actually going on. And okay, user deleted successfully. That's all I was looking for. And I'll probably do one more. Let's see. I'm gonna get rid of these tabs just so we don't get confused. Oh, okay, I'm just gonna go to number 5. I like that one better anyways. And then we're gonna get rid of all of this. Nobody needs all this. It's unnecessary. And you can see that there's probably a lab every 2 pages until you get to like the SQL injection path, and it seems like there's a lot more reading in that one. Unprotected admin functionality with unpredictable URL. This lab is unprotected. The admin panel is located in an unpredictable location, but the location is disclosed somewhere in the application. Alright, so what we're gonna do here is we're gonna try and find, okay, so let's first, for starters, we'll add this to the scope. So because I just don't want any ads to load or anything. And then we're gonna go admin, and let's just see if it is an account first. Let's see, my account. I would like to see the response of this. Okay. Is admin equals false. Admin panel tags attribute href. Okay, this looks like this. Okay, so this is good information right here. Let's send this to the repeater. So trying to log in, it actually is checking right here because it's creating a variable is admin, and then it's false. Okay, so that they automatically set the variable to false, and if is admin, create the variable top links tag get by class name top links 0 admin panel tag create element A set attribute to href, which in what is this, HTML5? href is how you refer to other locations, other links and URLs and such. But let's copy this, and we're gonna bring this up here, and we're just gonna go straight to the post method. Let's just see what happens here. Okay, my account. Okay, so it looks like I can delete the username Wiener, and I can delete Carlos. So we're gonna go to, okay, use it by deleting the user Carlos. But you can see this right here. We're just gonna copy this delete tag for Carlos, and we're just gonna put it in the post because we just want to get him out of here. So we're gonna see if it solves it as I insert this in. Oh, and I just messed that up a little bit. And we're gonna insert this in, bam, found, same origin. So if I reload this page, it's not solved. All right. So I guess that wasn't the answer. But we are gonna grab this location again, and we're gonna see if I have to traverse to that specific URL in order to delete Carlos. Because it's saying he deleted successfully, but I can still see him in here. So we're gonna delete him. Okay. And that was the next lab solved.